Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head down to Florida and then we're going to hop on a cruise to the Bahamas. And we'll be going to Grand Bahama Island and going to the Grand Lucuyan Resort. We'll be going on the Margaritaville At Sea Cruise ship out of the Port of Palm Beach. We arrived at the port early and it was the fastest check-in ever. They even allowed my Mavic Mini on board. The safety drill was right on a video. And before you know it, we were heading on board the ship.
Welcome aboard! Welcome to Margaritaville!
Margaritaville!
Thank you. Our stateroom was even ready as soon as we boarded. Then we took a tour of the ship. This was a nice relaxing area in the spa. And I always go and check out the gym. I found the ice cream machine, so I had to have one. The cruise ship overlooks the world-famous Peanut Island, one of my secret spots. This is the cruise terminal, and as you can see, it's in the shape of a ship. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos. But as you can see, this is a working port. We made our way to the buffet. It was a small buffet, but plenty of food. And the food was delicious. It's called the Port of Indecision Buffet. We ate our lunch at the Somewhere 5 o'clock grill overlooking Peanut Island. After we ate, a short rainstorm came through. But it quickly passed and the sun was shining again, and then it was time for the hot tub. The ship pulled away from the dock and we passed Peanut Island and headed into the Palm Beach Inlet and out to the Atlantic Ocean. This is Singer Island, and the southernmost point is Palm Beach Shores. And as you can see, Singer Island has a beautiful beach. The pilot captain guided us out the inlet, but it was time to say goodbye to Palm Beach. We were heading towards the Bahamas. And then it was time for dinner in the Finn's dining room. We had a great server, Yarini. The menu had a nice selection, and on this night we had braised short ribs. It was delicious. Later we went to the show, Tales from Margaritaville, Jimmy's Ship Show, and I'll have to say it was great. The actors came right out to the audience and everybody started dancing.
It's a real beauty.
It's a real beauty.
Of the Hanging Beauty.
The Hanging Beauty.
How it got here, I haven't a clue. It was a bad choice, I know it was. Wasted away again in Margaritaville.
Later after the show, we went to our stateroom, had a great night's sleep. I got up early to film a beautiful sunrise as we entered the port of Freeport on Grand Bahama Island.
My name is Mark from North Carolina. First time on Margaritaville. My wife and I are down here for our 30th anniversary, wedding anniversary. We've enjoyed our time on the ship. The ship's been great. A little older ship, but they've done a good job, I believe, with keeping it up and restoring it and doing what they have to keep it nice.
I always get so excited when we're docking the ship. I couldn't wait to get off the ship and head to the Grand Lucuyan Resort. I'll show that on my next video. I even flew my Mavic Mini there. And as always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern.